Welcome to the Mechanic Desk help videos. In this tutorial, we show you some specific or advanced changes you can make within Mechanic Desk. Once you have logged into Mechanic Desk, click on the Settings tab and then the Workshop Details tab to reveal a list of options to the left of the screen. The Workshop section shows basic workshop information. The Service Item Attributes sections show the attributes associated with particular service items. Here you can select which fields are going to show when adding or editing your service items. For example, if you run a marine workshop, you can add your service item as boat and select the attributes to appear for that item by clicking on each attribute to add a tick to its checkbox, or unchecking items that are not needed to remove them. Note that the attributes are already organized to some extent by business type. If there is an attribute that you require that is not on this list, please send an email to our support team requesting it and we can add it for you. The online booking section allows you to paste a snippet of code into your website so that your customers can submit booking requests through your website. The numbering settings section allows you to select the next number for your invoices, bills, credit notes, etc. It also allows you to add a prefix to these documents. The tag management system allows you to manage your tags for each part of the system. Business sources allows you to add sources of business to the system. So when you create a booking, you can then select this source of business. This helps to keep track of where your customers are coming from. The Payment Methods section allows you to edit the payment method's name, but you cannot add additional payment methods. The Barcodes and Labels section allows you to select your barcode type as well as template and label template. Finally, the Miscellaneous section allows you to alter the names of titles and fields, units of measurement, and default actions. For example, we can give meaningful names to each pricing level or any number of alterations. There is much more to this section, and please only make changes if you understand the effect of these changes. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Mechanic Desk support team.